What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're checking out this family home behind me in the lovely neighborhood of Las Salvias here in Ajijic village. This home is very special actually, built I think around 45 years ago. It's got a lot of charm and you have some fabulous views of Lake Chapala. Come with me, let's go and check it out. Coming into the property, you have a lovely front garden here, very mature trees and lots of beautiful landscaping going on here. You have a nice water feature to my left-hand side, and on my right-hand side, that's where we're going to find the large carport. You have space for probably at least about 4 or 5 cars there. It's a very large space. So come down a few steps. Let's go and check out the main property. Come on through, guys. So as we come into the foyer, we're greeted with these Romanesque style columns. Nice water feature here to my left-hand side as well. We're coming down a few more steps and into this very large room, which is the room for living and dining. Fireplace, a Terrace stonework fireplace here to my left. A great sized room. I like what they've done here. Nice chandelier coming over the dining room table here. Lovely feature. And walking into this newly renovated kitchen. It's a chef's kitchen for sure. You've got some nice granite surfaces throughout, lots of cabinetry. Just a thing I want to point out. As I'm cleaning the dishes here, I can get beautiful views of Lake Chapala in the distance. So over here, this is where we have a bit more storage space as well. This is where you would put a dining room table also. So if we go up a few steps here, we're coming in to one of the largest principal bedrooms I've seen for some time. So what's really quite nice about this property is the principal bedroom is on one side and the other 2 bedrooms are on the other side of the home. So it makes it nice and private. What a principal bedroom this is. A lovely room. You can come out here and take in beautiful views of Lake Chapala as well. It's a stunning, stunning room. You've got a gas fireplace here to my left-hand side as well. Let's go and check out the ensuite bathroom. I think you might like it. You have a shower that is absolutely beautiful. Enormous walk-in shower. You've got a lovely skylight coming in, so bringing all this beautiful natural light into this ensuite bathroom. A double sinks here. Instead of a double sink vanity, you've got 2 separate, very nicely finished sinks. Through this door here, this is where we have the walk-in closet. Plenty of space there. So we're going to the east side of this large property. So here on my right-hand side, this is where we have the powder room for your guests. Coming into what is being currently used as an office, which could easily be turned into another bedroom. You can actually come out of this door here, and this takes you into the carport area. Let's go and check out the second guest's bedroom. We come down a few more steps. Lovely room. This second bedroom has a gas fireplace. You can actually also walk out of here into the covered terrace. So straight out into the south-facing garden. Coming into the ensuite bathroom with a double sink vanity, a walk-in shower. And behind here we have the laundry area and another walk-in closet. Let's come out. I want to show you the beautiful mature gardens you have here. And I mentioned before, you have your own koi and lily pond as well, which that's what you can hear in the ambience of this garden. Absolutely beautiful. What a lovely covered terrace that leads on nicely to your own jacuzzi here, where it's one of the best spots to be taking in views of Lake Chapala and Mount Garcia in the distance. So just coming off the covered terrace here to my left-hand side, in front of the kitchen, you have your own gas grill area, which is positioned perfectly. With that door, you can come in and out of the kitchen with your meats and with the things that you want to cook. And I love it how this area is hugged by this beautiful tree behind me. So coming down this beautiful mature garden, these paths take us in the direction of the koi pond. It's very peaceful down here with the sound of the water. If you're wondering, the lot size is just over 1,000 square meters. That's why you can have such a large garden. I love seeing these old properties because they're full of charm. Properties that were built in the 80s and 90s and maybe before were just, the rooms were a lot larger and the lot size is also larger. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this estate in Las Alvias today. As usual, check out in the description for more information. If you'd like to come and see and view this property with me, send me an email. My email's on the screen here. Thanks also very much for watching. Take care of yourselves and I'll see you all in the next video. Hasta luego, amigos.